Hello everyone, let me show you how to bring in your PDF to Mendeley before you now cite. So in this video I will show you the two, how to first bring in PDF to your Mendeley, then how to cite it. So when you open your Mendeley, this is how the page will come up. This is loading because you can see that it's loading here. That is because I have other work there. I have some PDFs there before. So it's just updating because I use it on two different laptops. So look at it. This is to tell me that the Word document is plugged in and reference manager is also plugged in. So if you want me to explain the difference between this reference manager and the normal one, you can see up here you have Mendeley desktop. They are not the same thing. If you are using Mendeley desktop, you'll be able to cite offline. You can read offline and cite offline. Okay, let me know if you need it. Just put it in the comments, then I'll make a video on how to do it. Do you see in this place it's already giving you sign file. Now showing this plus, that means add and create. Add and create is just like a tour trying to take you around how it's supposed to be. Edit setting. This is where the storage is, local and cloud. Can you see? Next, it will show you something else. In this place, this is help button if you need help with anything. So we are done. So because me, I have some works here before. Mhm. This is a new folder. I'll call it publication. Okay, I'll call it publication because I want to cite some of my work. So anything I want to bring in here, I want it to go to this publication. I want it inside here. So I'll click on file. I will click on file, add file. Can you see? It's not folder that I want to add. I want to add it one after the other, and I can do it at the same time. Can you see? So I want to add this. This is one. If you just want to do it one after the other, you see. The paper is here already. Do you see? Now let me show you how to do it at once. Let me just clip this mic. Hearing me? Because this time around I want to pick more than one. You see, add file. Now what I will do is I will press this I'll press control button so that I'll be able to select all that I want. Can you see? So do you see? Oh, I'll now say open. It will bring it. I think I have like 5 or how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6. It's not telling me do you want to merge it. I'm not merging. They are two. They are different from each other. So this is it. Now you have this paper already in your Mendeley. I mean, I want to use it. That's the reason. Now you want to cite, right? This is the work. This is all. This is where, let's say I'm reading this journal now. Let's say I'm reading this 2020. Let me do it year by year so that it can work for what I want to do. Okay. Let's say I'm reading this one, this paper now, and I want to cite something there. Now open Microsoft Word. This is it. Let's say it's fresh, and you want to reference. You want to cite first. Let's look at citation first. It is what you cite that you'll be able to do reference from. I'm using upper 7th edition. If you are using anyone, you can select here. You even have more style. Can you see? If you click more style, you will still get more. But I'm using this 7th edition. I'll just leave it like that. I'll go to insert, go to insert, then go to Mendeley. See, this is what I'm reading, right? This. But okay, let's do first. Let's do one. You see, I say cite. It will load and come. This is how to cite. This is upper 7th edition. This is how to cite. You can also do, there are some situations where you want to cite like maybe 3 papers together, and I'll do it for all of this, all of them. I will do all because that's what I want to do. You can select 3, you can select 4. So this is all. I will now say cite. You will see everything will be cited. Do you see all of them together? If it's 3 you want to cite together, it will help you to arrange. This will, like, your work will reduce. So let's make sure that anything we are doing in 2026, you are doing it smartly. Don't overstress yourself. Do it smartly. You see the arrangement. This is upper 7, sorry. This is upper 7th edition. You can see Adekia, Farumbi, Kende, Olagunju, Oye. Like arranging it the way it's supposed to be. So now, let's say you are done with your work. It is time for you to reference. Reference. Do you see? It is time to reference. You don't need any stress to go and be looking for is it correct or is not correct. come to this place, click on insert bibliography. Do you see? Click on it. It will do everything. Can you see? Everything will be done. You don't need to stress yourself. See the DOI. Everything done. See. Do you see? With just one click, everything is done. So that is how to cite. So that's how to use Mendeley to reference. Now, somebody made mention of something that maybe something is wrong. Let's say in this place, you want to correct anything. Let's say this paper now. If you click on it, if you click on this my paper now, come here. Do you see this side now? Let me try to expand it so you can see. See this side. If there's something wrong here and you want to correct it, maybe like the name is not well spelled and all, you can adjust. This is where you will adjust, not on Microsoft Word. Do you get? This is what you're supposed to adjust. You will adjust it here. In case if the journal title is not correct and you just come here, you adjust it and it will reflect on Word document. If it's not reflecting immediately, all you need to do is to just come here and click on refresh, and everything will be fine. I hope I've been able to explain this. Let me know if you find this video helpful, and if you have any other thing that you want to ask, just ask the question and I will make a short video for that particular part. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.